Nice little box. Let's open it up. Alright, a manual. Don't need that. Warranty. You don't need that. Don't know yet. Software.anker.com. Oh, there we go. Right. That's small. Pretty good. USB-C goes in there. Rotates, that's pretty cool. And you can never have enough USB-C cables. What's this? A lens cover, very cool. And an adapter, USB-C adapter. Pretty nice. Pretty useful, I reckon. And a lens adapter thingy. Right, let's try this camera out then. Alright, let's install this. Next, let install. Doop-a-doop-a-doo. That's an interesting error. Yeah. So to fix this, you need to head to the AnkerWork folder in Program Files and copy everything from the bin folder, upper level, into the parent folder. At least until they fix the installer. Look at that. Hello! Haha! Very cool. Right, let's stick that up there. Meh. Let's do the firmware update, shall we? Upgrade firmware. Come on. Install. Upgrade successfully. Hey! Have a look. What have we got? Wide angle. Close up. HDR. Wow, look at that strobing with the lights in the background. There you go. Anti-flicker sorted that right out. This is some pretty good software. Change brightness. Whoop. Reset. Sharpness. Whoa, that's pretty interesting. 60 frames. Works much better. Nice. So, over here is the Logitech Brio, and over here is the Anker C300. As you can see, the default colours are a little bit different. Over here I look more beautiful, and over here it's very, almost as if there's a sharpening filter. It's quite interesting. So both are running at 1080p 30 frames a second in this sample. The real innovation is the field of view, which is up from 90 degrees on the Logitech Brio to a whopping 115 degrees on the Anker C300. So overall, pretty good camera, this thing. It needs a bit of a software update. So they need to test their installer process a little bit more, but other than that, it's got potential. A couple more firmware updates, and it's a keeper. Certainly give this thing a run for its money.